Welcome back to the channel, sweet friends. Today, we are stepping away from the chaotic rush of the modern world to romanticize our daily lives and design a sanctuary that feels like an emotional tight hug. We are diving deep into the ultimate cozy home decor trend that continues to captivate millions across the United States: the slow-living, storybook-inspired cottagecore aesthetic. Whether you are trying to transform a bustling city apartment or elevate a quiet suburban living room, our goal today is to curate a space rooted in nostalgia, comfort, and timeless beauty. Grab a warm cup of herbal tea, settle in, and let's explore how to blend natural textures, antique treasures, and handmade accents to create your very own peaceful countryside escape. To successfully master rustic cottage interior design, we must first look to the structural foundations of our room. The cold, sterile surfaces of ultra-minimalism are out, and warm, character-filled natural elements are officially taking over our homes again. We want to focus heavily on incorporating exposed raw wood tones, distressed brick elements, and woven wicker baskets that ground the room in history. If your space lacks architectural character, do not worry. Adding affordable faux wooden ceiling beams or a vintage-inspired mantel can instantly replicate that cozy English countryside architecture right where you are. These organic materials breathe physical life and a sense of enduring craftsmanship into a home, making the entire environment feel deeply grounded, authentic, and safe. No timeless cottagecore space is complete without a curated collection of thrift home decor and meaningful antique furniture. Thrifting is not just an eco-friendly and sustainable way to decorate. It is also an incredible strategy for discovering one-of-a-kind statement pieces packed with history. When exploring your local antique malls or flea markets, keep a sharp eye out for beautifully weathered wood side tables, classic crockery hutches, and mismatched porcelain pitchers. These imperfections are exactly what give a room its unique lived-in charm. Instead of buying mass-produced furniture, choosing thrift items adds an undeniable depth of historical character, telling a beautiful story that modern factory pieces simply can never replicate. Textiles are the absolute secret weapon when it comes to styling a warm, welcoming, and hyper-cozy bedroom or living room space. To achieve that classic grandma core look, you want to focus heavily on layering diverse fabrics like breathable linen, heavy wool blankets, and delicate lace doilies. Do not be afraid to mix and match soft, romantic patterns like dainty botanical prints, classic gingham patterns, and traditional toile de Jouy fabrics. Combining a soft floral duvet with a chunky, textured throw blanket creates an inviting, multidimensional aesthetic that begs you to rest. This intentional layering of rich fabrics softens the straight lines of your furniture, giving the entire room an incredibly cozy, cloud-like atmosphere. There is something uniquely comforting about handmade elements, which is why timeless crochet details are an absolute necessity for this design journey. Today, we are incorporating a stunning, cream-colored heirloom crochet blanket that features intricate vintage stitching across the back of our sofa. If you do not know how to crochet yourself, don't sweat it. Searching local estate sales or online artisan marketplaces is a phenomenal way to source authentic, handmade textile pieces. From small lace coasters to elaborate multi-patterned granny square throws, these beautiful fiber arts infuse an artistic human touch into your interior design. They bring a wave of nostalgic comfort that immediately reminds us of simpler times and family traditions. One of the most rewarding parts of interior styling is taking an unloved item and giving it new life through a creative thrift flip. For today's vintage DIY project, we are taking a heavily scratched, outdated thrift store mirror frame and transforming it into a stunning antique gold masterpiece. Using a bit of fine-grit sandpaper, a coat of rich sage green chalk paint, and some metallic wax paste, we can completely rewrite its story. This easy, budget-friendly project instantly injects grandmillennial charm and high-end visual value into the space without breaking your bank account. Transforming discarded objects into beautiful, functional decor pieces is the ultimate embodiment of the slow, resourceful cottagecore lifestyle. When it comes to decorating surfaces like open shelving or coffee tables, we want to intentionally embrace the concept of beautiful vintage clutter. Instead of leaving surfaces empty, use them to display your personality with hardbound vintage books, antique brass candlesticks, and delicate pressed flower frames. Grouping items in odd numbers, like stacking 3 old books vertically and topping them with a small porcelain teacup, creates an effortless, storybook-inspired look. The key here is to display items that evoke personal happiness, making your styling feel entirely purposeful rather than messy. These charming little vignettes draw the human eye in, encouraging visitors to slow down and explore the nostalgic details. A true nature-inspired sanctuary requires a seamless connection to the beautiful outdoor world, which we can easily achieve using lush botanical elements. Consider hanging aromatic dried herb bundles from your kitchen hooks, placing fresh eucalyptus branches in stoneware vases, or cultivating a thriving windowsill herb garden. For vertical interest, trailing ivy or delicate pothose plants look incredible cascading down from the tops of tall wooden bookshelves. Incorporating real greenery and organic elements not only purifies your indoor air but also reinforces that idyllic, countryside ambience. It infuses a refreshing energy into the room, making your cottagecore space feel like a vibrant, breathing indoor garden oasis. Lighting is the ultimate makeup of interior design. It completely dictates how a space feels the second the sun begins to set. To protect your cozy cottage aesthetic, completely avoid harsh, overhead fluorescent lighting and instead turn to warm, ambient alternatives. We are scattering warm-toned LED fairy lights across our wooden shelves, placing brass taper candles on the tables, and choosing vintage lamps with pleated fabric shades. Opt for warm white light bulbs to cast a gentle, buttery amber glow across your textures and patterns. This soft lighting strategy eliminates cold shadows, creating an incredibly peaceful, romantic evening atmosphere that naturally coaxes your mind and body into total relaxation. Every home needs a dedicated sanctuary zone explicitly designed for unplugging, slow living, and practicing mindful daily rest. We are transforming an underutilized corner of the living room into the ultimate reading nook by pairing a plush armchair with our DIY mirror and handmade crochet throw. Adding an adjustable floor lamp and a small wooden stool to hold your tea creates a self-contained oasis perfect for slow mornings. This intentional space acts as a physical reminder to step away from digital screens, pick up a physical book, and fully embrace the art of doing nothing. Designing a specific area for quiet contemplation can drastically improve your mental well-being and daily mindfulness. Designing a cozy cottagecore space is so much more than following a passing internet design trend. It is about intentionally building a life centered around peace, creativity, and comforting nostalgia. By honoring historical craftsmanship, upcycling thrift treasures, and pouring love into handmade crafts, you create an authentic haven that truly cares for your soul. I hope today's quiet design journey has inspired you to romanticize your own environment and tackle a few vintage DIY projects this weekend. Thank you so much for spending this beautiful, slow day with me. If you love these cozy home decor ideas, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and comment below with your favorite part of today's makeover. Take care, and happy decorating, friends.